Hi, this is Alex with WhereSafe app tutorial. In this one, we're going to show you how to set up a power disconnect notification. A power disconnect notification can occur when your device is either unplugged or disconnected from the vehicle's main power source. To start, go to the menu button in the top left corner and click on Alert Settings. Here you'll see all the alerts you currently have set up, but to set up a new one, click the plus icon in the top right. From the list, select Power Disconnect. The first option you have is to also receive alert when power is restored. To enable, just check the box. Then you can choose whether this alert is to be set up for all the vehicles on your account or specific vehicles. For this one, I'm going to pick Alex and Dan. Next is the time of the day. For all day coverage, leave a default, but you can change this if required, and then select your days of the week. And I'm going to include the weekend. Last, you can select whether to receive it by email, or also by text if you have it enabled on your account. Once all your options are selected, click the Save button at the top right, confirm, and your power disconnect notification is complete. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out more of our tutorial videos.